Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Marquay, Florida. As you know, we love doing our covers and we love doing different covers on different trucks. Now, a lot of trucks are not getting enough love. One of them is the Honda Ridgeline. We probably have more videos of the Honda Ridgeline with different covers than anyone else. And today we got another new one for you. Come on over here. What do we have? Well, we got obviously the Honda Ridgeline and we have the Truxedo Low Pro. Now the Low Pro basically means it's going to sit a lower profile. Now, as you know, we have done a lot of folding covers and rolling hard covers. This is actually one of our first videos with a soft cover. Before I go into how it works, I want John to come over, film around here and take a good look on how sharp this looks with this truck. It's very clean looking. If you notice, it's also very flat. Now this does have support system in here, and as you know, I'm a big fan of Truxedo. We do a lot of Truxedo parts and stuff and covers, and this one here I like a lot for, besides the way it looks good, it also has a lifetime warranty. That's right, it's got one of the better warranties. Now, again, before I go into it, I want to talk about the vinyl. Now, the reason I like Truxedo products is because they do make a better quality vinyl. It is set up for Florida. Now, we're in South Florida, so it's hot, it's sunny, and if you don't get a good UV cover that's kind of like made for the water, marine grade, it just doesn't last down here in Florida. If you live in a state where it's a lot of sun, Truxedo is perfect for that area. So let's go into how it works. So we go here and open this up. Now you have your little release mechanism right here to the left. Now this is a rolling soft cover. Now what I like about the rolling covers is it does give you full access to the bed. Now here's your support system I just mentioned to you before. Now if you remember when it was closed, you couldn't see it whatsoever, but it is there. Now why is that great? Well, if you live up north, you have snow, it doesn't sink in there. Of course, in Florida we have rain, so this gives you support in there. And I like the idea you really don't notice it there. Now I'm gonna go in, here's your second one. There's more than one in here, by the way. Now first thing you'll notice as you roll it up here, you have full access to the bed. So if you have to put something back here, an all-terrain vehicle, small motorcycle, you can do that. And these right here go around here, and they just lock in here, holds it in place while you're driving. Now, a lot of people are concerned, you know, can we use the bed here? As you can see, it does open up. You can still access this, so you don't have to worry about that part. All in all, it works really good with this truck. Now, also this, as you know, the Hondas do have the tailgate swings out this way, and I'll show you that in a minute. But before we go into that, I want you to take a look how this is attached. Now, a lot of covers are basically clamped on. How the Hondas are, they're actually bolted into the bed here. I really like that. And why do I like that? Well, it holds it a little bit better. It's a little stronger and stuff. So I think that's a great feature. And again, you can adjust this. For example, if the sun stretches this out, and over time it will do that, you adjust these, you get a little screwdriver and you make it a little tighter. You can always have a nice tight fit for that. And let's go ahead. These just hang down here. This kind of rolls right here. Nice and easy, not too hard. Now when you get to the end here, you look for these little grooves here, and they basically go right into that little groove there, and then you just kind of push it down and see, look how tight that is. Now I like that really drum, so I'll go and pull it to the sides and get it even tighter. I just think it looks sharper that way. I think this is one of the better products. It is not the most expensive product out there. It's actually very reasonably priced. It's good quality, because you know a lot of times you get soft covers, you don't get you get some Chinese-made product that just doesn't last, and you pay, you know, a little less money, thinking, hey, I come out ahead, but you end up paying more because you have to get a new cover. This one's going to last you longer. I mean, when they give you a lifetime warranty, they're telling you this is a good quality product. Now, if we do the installation for you, you get the 1-year labor guarantee. It covers adjustments and things of that nature. So all in all, it's got a great warranty from us, great warranty from Truxedo. It looks good. It functions terrific with this vehicle. All in all, I'm really happy how this is. I mean, Honda makes a terrific product. And I'm trying to remember I think it's right here, right? Yeah, here we go. There's a lot of people, does it work? So I want to make sure you already saw that it worked with this. And as you can see, it works with that as well. So all the cool features your Honda has, you don't lose. And that's important because Honda's kind of special. I mean, I like some of the stuff they've done with the bed. I think it's really cool. I like these things. It comes in handy. As you can see, all in all, perfect fit. Now, if you say, you know what, Chris, you sold me, I want this. How do I get this? Well, you can call the store You can ask for John, who's behind that camera right now. He'd be glad to ship this anywhere in the country for you. You can ask for me, Chris, or Dave, or Buddy, whoever else answers the phone, we can help you. Now, if you don't have a Honda, but you want this cover, of course, they do make this for other vehicles. So you don't have to just have it for a Honda. So call us up. We'll help you out. We'll answer all your questions for you. And if you have questions on installation, you can also call us, which unlike some places who don't know their products, they send this stuff out to you, you call me, have a question, they go, oh, I don't know. Well, you call me, I'm the guy who puts it on there. I can walk you through these questions. Like, there's a little things, like, for example, I'll just point out a small thing here. And I don't know if you can see this, but if you notice here, there's a little gap here. Now, I add a little extra foam in there. Why do I do that? Well, this can let water in there. So, you know, these are little things that, and I don't know if you can see the seal back here, by the way. The factory seal is terrific as well. Those things help with the water. Now, speaking of water, nothing I'm showing you, any of our covers are waterproof, so keep that in mind. This one is a very good water resistant cover. It's not waterproof, water resistant. But they've done a lot of good things to keep the water out. But anytime you buy any cover, keep in mind you might see a small amount of water. So if you've seen a lot of water, you got a problem. You've seen a little bit of water, well, that's kind of okay. So keep that in mind. Again, this is Chris doing a review of the Truxedo Low Pro on a Honda Ridgeline, and thank you very much.